Hi students, now we are going to explain what is Boyle's law. Now already you must have studied Boyle's law in your lower classes, isn't it? The statement is at a given constant temperature, the volume of a certain mass of a gas varies inversely as the pressure. So V is proportional to 1 by P, or PV is equal to constant when the temperature remains constant. But now the same we are going to prove. We are going to prove it in terms of the kinetic theory of gases. Okay, first we will start with the internal energy of the gas. The expression for internal energy of a gas is epsilon U is equal to total number of molecules N multiplied by the kinetic energy per molecule. So what is the reason for the total energy of a system? It is equal to the sum total of the kinetic energy of all the molecules in it. So if you multiply the total number of molecules with the kinetic energy per molecule, then you will get the total internal energy of the system. So this is now equal to N multiplied by this kinetic energy per molecule. Already we have derived it is 3 by 2 kT. 3 by 2 kT. So this is now equal to 3 by 2 into NKT. So this is equation 1. But from the ideal gas equation, we also have studied that from ideal gas equation. So this is ideal gas equation. So from that we have studied that NK into T is also is equal to PV, isn't it? So this is step number 2. Now I can replace NKT by PV. Therefore, now we get another expression for internal energy. Epsilon U is also equal to 3 by 2 into PV, and this is our equation number 3. Now look at the right hand sides of equation 1 and 3. Since the left hand sides are same, I am going to equate the right hand sides. So this is 3 by 2 into PV is equal to 3 by 2 into NKT. Okay. So cancelling this 3 by 2. Now V is equal to NKT by P. This I will group the terms like this. So here N is the total number of molecules which is constant, K is Boltzmann constant, pressure, okay, this is pressure is a variable, and T is a constant. So I can write therefore V is proportional to 1 by P, or P into V is equal to a constant. So this final equation P into V is equal to constant only is called as Boyle's law. Okay, so P1 into V1 must be equal to P2 into V2. Therefore, P1 into V1 is equal to P2 into V2. That must be a constant. So, at a given temperature which is constant, a certain volume of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure acting on it. This only is called as Boyle's law. We have proved it now. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.